one thing I try to like think about and recognize is if you look at the A section, the first part of the tune, the first two A sections, all those notes are in the key of G for soprano. Okay, they're all in that key, the G major scale. So to me, that simplifies my job. Like I think, okay, I hear something, the note I'm going to, ba, ba, I don't necessarily think B E, but I think bum bum, and I know it's in the key of G. So I might go. That kind of helps me out to get less. There's less choices there, and when I know the key and have a firm grasp of the key, 9 times out of 10, I'll make less mistakes and I'll get those notes. And the reason the bridge is hard is because the bridge switches keys. And that's why I had problems when I was in college and I played this without knowing it by ear. Because, the bridge has 3 different key centers in it. And I'll talk about that in a second. Actually, I'll talk about it now. I said earlier, what I look for in a tune when I look at it is what key it's in. So like I said, okay, this is in the key of G for me, and I make a mental note. Well, the next thing I do is I look, and I say I make a mental note of the first note to the third, which is B, and try to remember that. And the next thing I do is look at the bridge, because many times the bridge strays away from that home key, and this is an example of that. Okay, so if you look at the music, the bridge goes again. These are all B